LKG Daughters Plumbing and Heating Limited have been running as a family business since 1997 and are fully dedicated to offering a high-end professional and courteous service. Our main areas are plumbing and heating repairs, boiler installations and fitting bathrooms. We are gas-safe registered engineers and you can have total peace of mind in the fact that we guarantee all our work. Our team operates 24 hours a day with no call-out charges within office hours. We are also keen to offer free estimates to all our clients. We can resolve all types of problems which include burst or blocked pipes and flushing systems. Our services include work on all domestic, internal, hot and cold water pipe work. We can repair problem or faulty central heating systems and blocked radiators. No matter what the issue, we'll have a cost-effective solution. And our experienced team of bathroom fitters can give you advice about design and carry out the full installation. We are highly technically trained and we also pride ourselves on our flair for style, design and organisation. Call us today.